Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a modern browser and, ideally, a Google account to sync settings. Once ready, open your browser settings and locate search engine options. Choose Google as the default so address bar queries use Google immediately. Next, set your homepage to Google for instant access when you open a new window. Make sure to install any official Google extension or app to enable fast Omnibox search and one-click access across sessions. Now you handle the middle steps that differ by browser. In Chrome, go to Settings, Search Engine, then Manage Search Engines and make Google default so address bar queries always use it. In Firefox, open Preferences, Search, pick Google as the default and remove or reorder alternatives to avoid accidental switches. For Safari or Edge, set Google as the search engine and confirm address bar or smart search uses it. Once done, enable sync to carry these choices. Finish by applying settings on other devices and testing everything. On mobile, set Google as the default search in your browser or install the Google app and add a widget for instant searches. On your computer, make sure the OS default browser matches the one you configured with Google. Test by searching from the address bar, homepage, and a new tab. If results show another engine, clear cache, disable conflicting extensions, and reselect Google as default to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.